This is how to fix your laptop keyboard not working. We're going to search settings in the search bar. We're going to go to ease of access right here. On the left, we're going to scroll down to see keyboard. Here it says use filter keys, ignore brief or repeated keystrokes, and change keyboard repeat rates. Turn that on. For these two, we're going to check off because they can be kind of annoying. We're going to go on the bottom left and right click the Windows icon. Device Manager. And this section right here, we're going to find somewhere where it says keyboards right here. Now I have quite a bit here, but for you, it could be one, it could be two. Depending what kind of keyboard that you want to connect or what you're using, you're basically going to want to do this for all of them. We're going to right click it. We're going to press Update Driver. The second option, Browse. Let me pick right here. Select your keyboard and go Next. Just go through the other keyboards and do the same thing. Side note, if there's a keyboard on here that you would not like to have and that serves no purpose, you can right click it and uninstall a device to get rid of it. That is how to fix laptop keyboard not working.